Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the Kinder Beauty February 2022 unboxing. But before we get started, I'm basically in the same outfit I filmed in the last video, but I put my hair up because it's like a freakish 62 degrees today in mid-February. I don't know. Crazy. So in this video, I did switch lips over to the Ada Lip Beauty color in I Am Perfect, which they label as their nude. I would say if this is a nude, it is a very deep nude, but I don't know. To me, it looks red. And that could be just the way it's sitting on top of my lips. But to me, this feels kind of red. And it's kind of uneven. I feel like on the camera it looks really good. Like from here, I feel like it looks good just looking at the little screen on my camera. But when I look at it in the mirror, I feel like it looks patchy, or kind of like I scrubbed the crap out of my lips and they're this red and sore. Because it's so sheer. I had to like go over it a lot. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your opinions on this. I feel like adding more doesn't make it better. I don't know. I feel like I kind of look a little bit crazy. In the viewfinder though, it does look nice with this eye color, so there's that. Anyway, that is my thoughts on this. I think this came in the... Was this in the Vegan Cuts? Or the Love Goodly? This was in the Love Goodly box. As of right now, I'm probably going to give this away, but let me know your opinions. Because I actually like the way it looks in the viewfinder, but then I look in the mirror and I'm like, ooh, what is this? Now let's get to the box. Okay, so here's our card for the month. I have the Flat Army box, and that has 5 products in it. So let's just go ahead and grab one and get to going. So the first is from Delia Organics, and it is the Goji Glow Cream. So let's read about that. This is a $19.40 value. This non-greasy, fast-absorbing, deeply hydrating cream is a very good way to treat yourself. Black goji berries deliver amino acids to your skin, while vanilla and lavender provide a luscious scent. So I don't know if this is supposed to be like a body cream or a day cream. Not a day cream, a face cream. It doesn't actually specifically state on here whether it's for your face or body. If it's for the face, it's got too much fragrance stuff in it, and I won't be using it. But if it's for the body, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I might just keep it and use it. This is such a tiny little bottle. I'd go through it in like, what, 2 or 3 uses anyway. So I'll just keep this and use it on the body. It does smell nice. But yeah, definitely too fragrance for the face. Maybe it's ambiguous on purpose. They just want you to use it where you want it. So next we have a pencil. This is from 100% Pure, and this is the Creamy Long Last Eyeliner in Blackest. So there's that. I actually don't need an eyeliner at this moment, a pencil one. I'm gonna keep the plastic on it just so it seals in the freshness. We know what a black eyeliner swatch is like, but let me read you this description. This is a $26 value. 100% Pure is so expensive. And let's see, the description is: this buttery soft black pencil liner will define your eyes in comfort and style. Made with jojoba oil, chamomile butter, and mango seed oil, this lovely liner will nourish your skin while delivering seamless, flake-free application. So I'm not going to swatch this. I am going to leave it in the packaging so that it maintains its freshness for whenever I do need to use it. I just don't need one of these open right now. I am glad that boxes have kind of moved away from every single box sending you a pencil like all the time, because now I feel like it's manageable. I feel like boxes used to do that all the time, just send you eyeliner after eyeliner, and it's like, how many do I need? So this next product, this packaging is really cool. So I guess Panga is the brand, and it's a bamboo toothbrush. Oh, so I just got a toothbrush in the vegan cuts, I think. Yeah, it was the vegan cuts. So now I have another toothbrush. I'm not going to need to purchase toothbrushes, at least for a little bit. This one has a really interesting shape. So the nice part of this shape is you'll sit it down and it'll probably hold itself up really nicely since it's heaviest on the bottom. But the bad part of this shape is if you have a little toothbrush holder with the little slotted holes, it's probably not going to fit in there. But that's fine. I mean, it's not like you keep a toothbrush forever anyway. Bristles are stiff but soft. I'm excited. I'm going to put that back in its cute little box to keep it nice and safe and fresh. I'll definitely eventually use a toothbrush, so I'm not mad about that at all. Next we have Poppy Fields. Oh, from Inkling Scents. The scent is Poppy Fields. I'm using an Inkling scent right now, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the brand I'm using right now. Oh, I didn't even read to you about the toothbrush. I'm so getting ahead of myself. The toothbrush, black bamboo toothbrush, is a $6.49 value. Support your oral health with this sustainable toothbrush that you're about to wonder how you ever lived without. Big claim. Made of biodegradable bamboo and BPA-free nylon bristles, this toothbrush will have your pearly whites shining, plus it stands up all by its own. No caddy necessary. There we go. Now moving on to the Inkling scent. This is the scent Poppy, or Poppy Fields as the box says. It's a $25 value. We've gotten 2 different $20+ value items in this box so far. Sensual, youthful, and long-lasting, the scent balances bright notes like cucumber and mandarin alongside sultry and sexy creme brulee and cedarwood, leaving you feeling feminine, fresh, and ready for more. So let's get this open and give it a sniff. Oh, that's kind of nice. It is very fresh. Yeah, that's going to be a nice one for spring. That's actually really nice. Ooh, I'm looking forward to using that. Using a couple other things up right now, but this will be really nice in spring. And then our last product is from Estate, and it says Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette. So here's that. Alrighty. It's a little white compact, and inside we have these pressed pigments. I believe they're pigments, yeah. I'm gonna call them eyeshadows. There's no mirror, which is a little strange, but so we have 4 brown neutral colors, and then this reddish color. In person it looks bricky. I feel like on camera it's looking a little more coral, but there's a lot more orange in there. And then this one and this one both appear to be shimmery. I think I will go ahead and swatch this one for you, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so here are the swatches. So the browns actually swatch really nice. The red is a little disappointing. I had to dip back in there 3 or 4 times to get it to show up, so I guess it's kind of subdued on purpose since it's like red. I mean, it's not like most people want to put blatant bright red on their eyes, although I have to say, we went to the coffee shop around the corner the other day because we were running a bunch of errands and I just didn't have time to make a whole new pot of coffee that morning. And the girl that served us and took our order had on this red eyeshadow that was just blurred out and blown out and really beautiful. She looked fabulous, but you guys didn't need to know that. It was just a little story. But yeah, I guess since it's like a red, it swatches more coral. So it swatches more like it looks on camera. But yeah, it was a little disappointing. You'd really have to build that up on the eye if you really wanted that bright red color. So I'm definitely going to use this in a future video, so keep an eye out for that. Although honestly, that'd be a really pretty base color to put this glitter over top of even. Those would go really well together. So Let me read you the description since I keep forgetting to do that. So, Estate Just a Taste Quad in Wednesday. It's a $14 value, offering both matte and shimmery finishes to choose from. These blendable and long-lasting eyeshadow quads include neutrals perfect for everyday wear, plus a pop of red that will bring you all the adoration. So that is everything that came in the box. Overall, I'm pretty excited. I don't really plan on getting rid of any of this. This is a little ambiguous. It doesn't really say whether it's for face and body. Because of that, I'll just use it on my body and assess it that way. But overall, like, I will always use a toothbrush. I'll eventually go through an eyeliner. This smell is wonderful. These eyeshadows seem really nice, especially the neutrals. And I'll use this. So, pretty good box for February, for Kinder Beauty. I'm not mad about this box. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a solid A. There wasn't that like one special product to really drive it over the edge. I'm so sorry you guys keep hearing my emails in the background. But yeah, there wasn't that one special product to drive it over the edge to an A+, but everything here was solid. Solid A. Not mad about it. So this is a good one. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I'll link to everything I'm wearing down below if I can find it. And I'd love to know what you thought of the Kinder Beauty box as well. So let me know down below. I can't talk today. It is like, what time is it? 5 o'clock and I've already lost my mind. This is weird weather throwing me off. It was seriously 62 degrees when I walked around the corner to the store earlier. Losing my mind. Anyway, I will talk to you all later. Bye.